We're here in Utrecht at the Blockchain Innovation Conference, and we're here with Trusteer, one of the most promising Dutch ICOs at the moment. So, Mark, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, doing fine. It's a lovely atmosphere. So, maybe you could introduce yourself and what does Trusteer actually do?
Yeah, sure. My name is Mark Leenards. I'm the founder and CEO of Trusteer. Trusteer is now has been developing for a year on a platform where you can measure trust and trustworthiness of both people and organization. And version 1 just got live. We now have a centralized solution for that, and people share trust coins on our platform. Trust coins are unities of trust. We call it our currency of trust, and you give that to anybody, any organization, any person you think is trustworthy, and they can in their turn give it to other people, and then you build on your reputation on our platform.
We won't compare it to like a normal social network. I mean, it's got this trust element to it. Huh?
Yeah, it's really about trust. It's not a new network to communicate with people or to share any pictures. The only thing you do at Trusteer is giving trust to people in the form of trust coins.
All right. So it makes trust more visible. I mean, if I do service for you and you're satisfied, then you can say, okay, this guy's trustful, or...
Yeah, exactly. Of course, you have review and rating systems already, and they're more and more common. But review and ratings are hard to verify and sometimes falsified, and you don't have it for everything. If you borrow something from your neighbor, there's no rating or review system. So he trusts you because you borrow something from him, and at Trusteer you can reward that and measure that by the form of trust coins.
And the platform's already established. Is it like a centralized, or does it also have some decentralized aspects?
Right now it's centralized just for testing purposes to make it bigger, but our wish is of course to make it a decentralized platform. So we are really destined to use blockchain for this, and before we take that step to the blockchain, we want to raise money with a token sale, and then we find the best blockchain solution to make all the transactions on the platform transparent and verifiable.
You make in essence you make like a custom-made blockchain, I think, or do you use existing blockchain like Ethereum?
Yeah, we are investigating it. There are a lot of new blockchains coming up. We are looking for the solution that has zero latency and zero cost. So the current ones are not suitable for that, but I'm confident that there will be new blockchain applications that are suitable for us. But I have to be clear about this: trust coins will never be tradable on any exchange or something. It's really something you have to get from somebody else. Utility token. Apart from that, completely separated, we have the Trusteer tokens, and that are asset tokens to participate in this venture. And that's something we're going to release in the summer.
Yeah, you mentioned, I mean, you already did a private sale on the Trusteer token, I think.
Yep.
And the public sale starts in the 1st of July. Eh? Maybe you can tell us.
The 1st of July we have a first pre-sale. That's something we announced today here at the blockchain conference. And the month after that, 1st of August, we will start our first public sale. And it will be the first of 3 different token sales. We use a phased token sale distribution mainly to facilitate the needs that we have at that time to gradually build up a marketing machine, and for the blockchain of course it takes time and steps to develop that as well. So we will have 3 phases of token sales all this year, and the first one will start next month.
And will there be like bonus programs in every phase, or how does it work?
Yeah, of course the price will rise in every step in the process. So that's very interesting. People can start now at 1.2 cent per token for the first pre-sale. Eurocent, yeah, and we do it in euros. We're a Dutch-based ICO, and the value of the tokens will increase up to 5.5 cents at the final public sale, so that's already multiple by 4, and that's a way we want to build up this ICO, because there are so many different ones, and yeah, we have to prove that this one is going to work, and one of the most, the biggest, hopefully.
Nice. Do you have any numbers on the soft and hard cap? I mean, you did already a successful private sale.
Yeah, we want to raise at a minimum of 4 million in total, but it's divided amongst these 3 different sales. And the hard cap will be 20 million, also divided by 3 sales, and all tokens that will not be sold in any of those sales will be burned. So that's really the maximum amount we can raise and the maximum amount of tokens we can create.
Okay. Very solid. I mean, and what are kind of partnerships or clients are you looking for? Of course, you have to build the community. Yeah, that's the first thing.
Yep.
And then, but also corporations. The corporations want to use the system. So
yeah, we are talking to a lot of existing platforms who could use us, for instance, for freelancers. People who really need a good reputation, or cleaners, cleaning helps, domestic cleaners for homes. That's already something in progress. There are already companies using the platform, for instance, to reward employees or to build a reputation. So we're looking for any kind of companies in different sectors to build up the user base. But as important, as you mentioned, is that people just sign up and share the trust. And that's why we launched a battle today, a new trust challenge. We give away 1 Bitcoin for the person with the most trustworthy tribe.
1 Bitcoin, wow.
Real Bitcoin, it's rising at this time. And a tribe is a group of people or users on the platform you gave trust to and you receive trust back, trust coins. So the user with the biggest and most trustworthy tribe will receive 1 Bitcoin next month.
All right. So people build those tribes and you earn like at least 7,500 euros, I think. Dollars, I must say. But,
yeah. Start trusting. That's our message to people. It's a new platform, so it starts with inviting people, trusting people, companies, and then hopefully you get the trust back, and that will help you to build your reputation.
And last question. How do you see the platform evolve in time? I mean, like in the coming 5 to 10 years, maybe. I mean,
eventually we want to become a Google of trust, or a new LinkedIn, as you can call it yourself. It has the potential to become that big because trust is so generic. You need it for every transaction you do, every communication you have with people. So we think this trust element could be worldwide and very big, and we have several ideas how to do that. And one of those ideas is to have trust awards. So for every group of people, if it's developers or specific companies, we can give them trust awards if they get a lot of trust coins on our platform.
Well, it sounds really good. I mean, what kind of website do they have to visit? It's like trusteer.com or?
Trustcoin.com. Yeah, that's our domain. Sign up is free as well for companies at this time. So everybody has a chance to win this Bitcoin.
All right. Sounds good, Mark. All the best and here on this beautiful day. So.
Thank you very much.